Babe, you know this is really not nice. I will change my car for crying out loud. Can't I change my car again? What about the take car for crying out loud?
I'm not your daddy.
You're my boyfriend.
And so?
You should get
out. On a normal day, to get into what arrogant, he would have slapped you. I swear.
You are getting me.
No, see, let me tell you something. People said me shake one year. As what I said, me that one
Be real.
Like, be boyfriend as a girlfriend, but what? It's not your daddy. It's not a normal thing. It's boyfriend, me. Go nowhere.
Why are you trying to be such a pick-me, Sha?
I'm not a pick-me. It's not a normal thing.
You are a pick-me.
My boyfriend, me. Go nowhere. It's not a normal thing.
They will still not pick you, so get the fuck out of my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. This is my man. You don't intervene in my conversation. No. Get out.
Hello, babe. I know you feed me and all of my family. You pay my school fees and everything. But this is just over fees. I don't like the way this man is looking at me. Like, what you...
Èṣù kó má lò mí o, bàbá.
Èṣù ní lò anybody.
Àmì o.
Sorry, quick one. Ẹ má bínú, boyfriend mi ni account ẹ̀ ó ní 1 or 2. Ṣẹlẹ̀ fún mi ní account number yín, kí sáyé bá yín sẹ́yìn.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ gba àdúrà kan fún yín.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ní agbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè, ànírógun ikú òjijì.
Àmì Jésù olórí àdúrà.
Ẹ ṣe transfer mi kí n dẹ̀ máa lọ.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni wípé kò lè ṣe transfer báyìí like is.
Jesus!
Hey, come on!
Jesus!
Sori kó lórí burúkú ọmọ ni ọ.